Okay, this video is for the C17 Pro small wireless speaker. This has been in a pocket of a coat all day long, so it's got a little bit of dust on the underside of it, but it worked really great. Carried it from room to room in the pocket, no less, and it was crisp and clear for such a tiny little speaker. You turn it on and off with this power button right here, and it's plus or minus for louder volume or lower. But you know, when you've got your phone, usually you're going to set it by the phone. It's just easier. But anyway, so I'm going to power it up, and you go to your Bluetooth settings, and you'll see it pop up. And this is already paired. I'll show you later, but I'm just going to turn the power on right now. You hold it down for a few seconds. There you go. It's paired. It's connected. I already have Spotify open, and I'm going to play two different songs. One's got a little bit more noise going on, and the other one is talking more, so you can hear the crisp clearness of it. So here you go. That's the first one going right here.
Give me some time to think. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. Facing the mirror is all I need. Wait until the Reaper takes my life. Never gonna get me out alive. I will live 1,000,000,000 lives. My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Our patience is waning. Is this entertaining? Got this feeling, you know, that I'm losing my control. Is this magic in my bones? Got this feeling in my soul. Oh, I had it for your stars. Is this magic in my bones? Playing with the stick of dynamite. There was never gray and black and white. There was never wrong till there was right. Feeling like I'm born to hurtling. Seeing all the vultures. First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
There you go. So it was full blast, and it didn't blur it out. It didn't tax the speaker in any way. It will go down to a reasonable level. It's great for listening to podcasts as well. Didn't have any problems whatsoever with it. And then, like I said, for pairing it, you just go to the settings tab right there, and then you go to your Bluetooth, which is, you have to have it on. And there you see it's not connected because it's turned off. And I'm just going to turn it back on again for you to show you how it pairs up. Here we go. There we go. Connected. So it's as easy as that. If I can do it, anyone can. I hope this review helps you. I liked it so much, I went to buy another one, and I saw that they were on sale, so I got two more. So one for each of the vehicles and one for the house. So I hope you like this, and we really like it a lot, and I think it's worth it. We do have more expensive ones. As you can see, I have a JBL Flip 5 and a Movo Go. I think it's on here. We've got Once, we've got TCL, we've also got real expensive ones. I don't see them on here right now. It's just not listed. But anyways, these will hold their own for the price point. They're great. And if you're doing something like we were remodeling and painting, you don't want to put your bigger ones or your nicer ones there. This is wonderful. And the reason why it's the UNS, it's not turned on. So I hope this review helps you, and you take advantage and get them quick while they're on sale, so you can get more, because they make a great gift as well.
Okay, this is a video for the Comiso C17 Pro small wireless speaker. Let's see what we got. Well, it Comes in a sturdy little box, and it's a little tiny speaker. Okay. Don't know what the weight is right offhand, but it is small. And we got other stuff in here that I'm having a hard time getting out. There we go. So we've got a thank you card, and we've got more or less call us if you need help information. And this appears to be the instruction manual. Looks like it briefly shows you all the controls and all that good stuff. And it comes with a charging cable and looks like a little carrying strap. So let's get it charged up and see how it sounds. Okay, this thing took probably 5 seconds for me to pair it up with my phone. Super easy. The on-off button is down here on the bottom, and the volume control, and you've got your charging port right here. It was 80% charged when I got it, but this thing is amazing. It's got a great sound, and it's so tiny you can just put it in your pocket, or a woman can put it in her purse real easy. It's a great little traveling speaker. So yeah, I recommend it. Highly recommend it. 5 stars.
Everywhere was quiet and looked unlived in, but not like Sunday. The quietness was wound up tight, like the alarm spring of an old clock. Chapter 4.
So this is the speaker. It's a really little cute thing, charged in 3 hours. I noticed none of the reviews had sound, because once you hook it up to your phone you can't do a video. So I have it with my tablet.
Running treasure is still surprising the world.
And you just
And the Valley of the Kings shows why it remains the greatest place on earth to hunt for the secrets of Egypt's famous
very
pharaohs.
nice. I like it.
숨김없는 표정도 솔직한 그대로 feel so cool 여기저기 따분한 눈빛 Don't call me darling I'm too You're exaggerating hot He was like
fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't.
Flash, gotta make it quick, gotta make it last. Money, 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 it's all we ever chase. Running after riches, it's a never-ending race. Money, 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 it's a game we play. Gotta get that dough every single day. Dollar signs in my eyes, I'm on a mission.
But I carry this feeling when you walked into my house that you won't be.
2 August ago, I told the truth, oh, but you didn't like it. You went home. You're in your bench, I'm by the gate.
Pull a peek with a little bit of crack, little bit of dope, little bit of smoke, little coke, little weed when they on them.